Hello and welcome to Bar Tips and Tricks with Unfiltered Hospitality. My name's Josue and today we're going to be discussing pouring with elegance. Normally at a bar, you pour bottles with labels facing out. That is a nice touch to show your guests what brand you are pouring for them. Another nice touch, if you don't have a pour spout, sometimes you take the top off, people put it down. Don't do that. Keep the top in your hand. But to take an extra step, what I recommend doing is putting it in between your hand like so. And then some brands like Bacardi have their emblem or a design that you can showcase when you are pouring the brand. So if I was going to pour this bottle here, I have the top conveniently in a nice, elegant manner to showcase the brand further. Makes you look good, makes the brand look good. We like that. Then you can grab it and place it there, and you're ready to go, instead of looking all over for where did I put that bottle cap. And there you have it. Follow us for more bar tips and tricks.